someone hungry? Hmm? Yes? Someone is always hungry, right? Yes. Are you going to be barking again? Yes, you will. It's a barking cat. Yes. Look at him. Look at him. Isn't he the cutest kitty ever? Yes. Yes. Who is the cutest kitty ever? Hmm? You are. Right? Gacek. 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 He knows that he's Gacek. You see? Ah! And now he will go biting. No, we don't bite the hand that is feeding you, you know? Where is all of that stuff coming from? From the dirty floor, I'm sure. We need to clean the kitchen a bit, baby, you know? What do you say? Okay, I will not be petting you anymore. Yes, you've had enough.